Good morning. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and Christy's alarm's going off right now. We're gonna go in there, get her. I'm going.
Brian, I don't have time for this stuff. I gotta go to work.
But for the last hour,
No, it was not on.
it's been going off.
It just started.
An hour? An hour ago, Chris?
It's like the last hour and a half.
Brian, no, it hasn't.
Yes, it has.
Why doesn't anybody wake me up?
Christy, when you ever get up this early, man, you still get alive at 4 in the morning.
Last half an hour?
That thing's been going off for like at least an hour.
I saw 4 on my watch.
It's only 5:18.
So get your ass up!
Do you ever get up at 4 in the morning by setting your alarm?
Because I need time to wake up.
You're a moron.
I swear to God, I had a dream about coming down the hallway of your alarm.
Is that the Sonic?
No.
Oh, why isn't the Sonic in place?
Because then it's like a big red light and my whole room looks like a dance room. So,
There's a reason why.
hey, well,
Thank you.
I'll just keep it.
You're a jackass. You're like...
I'll fix it tonight. I swear to God, I won't have it loud.
You have a sleep disorder. Here are some of the...
minute, my ass!
Here are some of the other victims.
Christy has a sleeping disorder.
Did this happen 3 years ago or
Her
2 years
alarm
when
has
you were
been
here?
going off for like 4 hours.
Did this happen when you used to come out here?
Yes. That's all I remember about Tom's house is Christy's alarm.
It worries me that, like, there's a pattern here.
Right, you're sick, but I can't remember.